Hello, namaste, 大家好. Today we are at Nantou in Songlong Waterfall with a large variety of hiking trails and waterfalls, ponds, etc. This is the best place for nature lovers. This place is located exactly in between Sitao and Alishan. To enter Songlong Waterfall, there is an entrance fee of 250 NTD per person. This is the first spot that you will come across as soon as you enter. This place is like the Taiwan version of autumn, and you can see the leaves on these trees turning into all shades of orange and yellow. This place seems to be different in each season. And not to forget that this place looks the best in summers and rainy season. With all the water, you can experience the best waterfalls. This is Baba Suspension Bridge. For those of you who don't know what is Baba, Baba is 88 or 88. This place is very hard to reach because you have to pass through a lot of mountains to get here. Feels as if you are traveling forever because of all the nausea due to high altitudes. Since coming to this place is really hard work, if you are already here, you should also go to Sitao and Alishan. There are some local buses to go from one place to another in the forest, because even if you travel by your private car or vehicle, you are not allowed to take your car to all the places inside. The cherry red maple tree leaves are the best sight in Songlong Waterfall. The ancestors of these tribal or indigenous people in Taiwan have been known to live here since 6,500 years. This is Songlong Waterfall and this is 38 meters high. You can see that the water is very less when compared to the other seasons like in rainy or summer. Right now we cannot enjoy the full beauty of this Songlong Waterfall. This is one of the most impressive places over here, and Songlong means a pine dragon. The place that you see over there is where the dragon lives. This is what the Taiwanese believe, and that cave is formed naturally due to the erosion, or you can say nature's course of action. Since the water is very shallow, we can also try to walk on these stones. It takes around 2 days to explore everything over here, so you can take your accommodation near Sitao. That would be very convenient. After around 1:30 PM in the afternoon, you can see that the fog is passing through the mountains and all the places, and they look even more beautiful. This is how the scenery looks from above. This is the closest you can go to the nature. This place gives you a different experience depending on which season you visit it. We had a really great experience visiting this place. If you are in Taichung or anywhere in Taiwan, do give this place a visit. We are sure you'll love the experience. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. More than 60% of our viewers haven't subscribed to our channel. Please do subscribe. And we are reading all your comments. Don't forget to comment below. Until our next video, bye bye.